Welcome to Life with Zoya. Are you here for the party or here for the tea? Well, honey, I'm pretty sure you came for the tea. Well, let me tell you what my channel has to offer: personal growth, entrepreneurship, making money, and dating advice. Well, let's get right into it. Today's journey is about personal growth. Let me tell you about this 369 method and what it is in details. The 369 method was invented by Nikola Tesla. He believed with these numbers you could achieve anything you want in life. Exactly, anything you want. There's hundreds of thousands of people doing this method every day and they're getting whatever they want. Yes, friends, they're getting whatever they want. So let me tell you how to do this. I started off with a journal. I like to journal my stuff. It's just easier for me to keep my thoughts in one place. So I got a journal. The second thing is you're going to write down one word in the morning, whether it's money, love, skinny, whatever it is, you're going to write down this one word in the morning 3 times. The second thing you're going to do in the afternoon is write down what you want from this. Whether it's, I want to marry Chris Brown, I want to be 50 pounds lighter, I want to be a millionaire. Whatever it is, you're going to write down what you want exactly. The third thing is you're going to write down the outcome. Do you feel excited? Are you happy? And I also want to tell you this, so let me stop with this. I'm telling you how to do it, but I forgot the most important part I need to tell you. The most important part is you must believe in this process. If you do not believe, it is not going to come true. If you're writing in your journal, money, the next day you forget to do it, that's showing that you don't believe in yourself. You need to do this every day until you obtain this manifestation. Every day. 3 times the subject in the morning, 6 times what you want in the afternoon, 9 times the outcome. So let me tell you how it worked for me. My niece had told me about this method, as I mentioned earlier in the video. I was extremely skeptical because I don't believe everything I hear. I looked on YouTube and a lot of people really don't know about this method, and the people that I did see that know about it are probably getting paid to talk about it. So I definitely didn't believe them. You hear me? So on my channel, I'm a small YouTuber. I'm going to always tell you the real deal Holyfield. So when I heard about this method, like I said, I was extremely skeptical, but I did start doing it immediately. When I started doing this method in my journal, the 29th day of the apartment I had applied for that told me I wasn't going to get qualified for called me. They called me. You would have thought I hit the lotto. I started doing the stanky leg, the Dougie, okay, the cat daddy, and the Michael Jackson backwards moonwalk, okay? Because I was so excited that this really worked for me in my life. I couldn't believe it. So now I want to share that with you, and I want you to do it and tell me your experience. I want you to like, comment, and hit the ding ding and subscribe, okay? Thank you so much, friends, and stay tuned for my next episode. You don't want to miss out.